Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying your exact Am4 board model and current BIOS version, so you download the correct file. This prevents bricking. Once done, format a USB to FAT32 and place the vendor BIOS binary plus the rename instructions on it. Make sure to note your RAID or XMP settings in case you need to re-enter them. Before proceeding, power stability is critical. Connect a UPS or ensure no planned outages. This reduces the risk during the flash. You next reboot into the motherboard's BIOS or its built-in flash utility and locate the BIOS image on the USB drive. This is the part where careful selection matters. Once you've chosen the file, verify the file name matches vendor guidance and check any checksum if given to ensure integrity. Hit the flash command and watch the progress bar. Do not power off, reset, or remove the USB during this stage because interruptions can leave the board unbootable. When the flash completes, you'll typically restart and should load optimized defaults first to stabilize new firmware, then reapply your saved XMP or RAID settings so things behave as before. If the board won't post, clear CMOS with the jumper or battery and retry. Many Am4 boards also offer BIOS recovery or dual BIOS that can restore functionality. If recovery fails, keep the original BIOS file and vendor support info ready. Those files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.